Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacy first year BHMS. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the essential subjects, such as anatomy, physiology, and materia medica. It's crucial to grasp the fundamental principles of each topic thoroughly. Create a structured study timetable, allocating specific times for each subject. This approach helps in consistent learning and prevents last-minute cramming. Remember, a solid foundation is key to success in your pharmacy studies. To study effectively, incorporate active recall into your routine. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself on key concepts. Develop clear, brief notes and flashcards for important definitions and drug classifications. These are excellent for quick reviews. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing challenging topics with peers often clarifies understanding and offers new perspectives, making learning more engaging and comprehensive. Practical application is vital. Spend time drawing and labeling anatomical diagrams to solidify your understanding of structures and their functions. Make it a point to solve previous examination papers. This helps you understand the question patterns and manage your time effectively during tests. Consistent revision across all subjects is non-negotiable. It ensures that information moves from short-term to long-term memory, making recall much easier when you need it most. Remember to prioritize your well-being throughout your studies. Ensuring you get enough sleep and maintaining a balanced diet are crucial for sustained focus and energy. Also, incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. A refreshed mind absorbs information much more efficiently. And hey, speaking of freshness, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.